Hey everybody, I'm back. Okay, we finished the mailbox. Now we're gonna do the North Pole reindeer feed little thing. We did most of this in July. Here it is. We did all of that in July. This came off, so I just glued it back on. I had to put some wood glue and some hot glue on there so it would stay. So we have, this is what I got left over from the other thing. So what we're gonna do is kind of put this in here. So if you're new to my channel, how are you? I'm Laura, and we do crafts, we do hauls, we do beauty, we do budgeting, we do planners, we do it all. We do a variety of stuff. Now in July, and I'll link the playlist probably up in the iCard somewhere, and it'll be the Christmas in July, and you will find a list of stuff that we started in July, and this is one of them. So you can go there and check those out. I saved the printout from these. That was way fun to do, and I believe I Mod Podged it so it wouldn't come off, so it wouldn't bleed or come off. So I did that. This is my picture, and I only didn't have any ink, so it's black and white, and this is the one that was on Pinterest. That's just how theirs looks. I did my signs a little bit differently, and I marked them what colors I wanted it or whatever. So it's done a little bit differently. I copied, but I didn't copy. You know, I did my own kind of thing of everything that I had on hand. So the box I made, or actually my husband made, I will put that in my little how-to stuff there. My husband made the box for me, and I just used wooden handles for, they're just wooden, you can finish them yourself or whatever, and I've had them sitting around forever. And I had a bunch of these wooden letters, and so I just made that, and I hot glued them on there, and I just had this, so this looks cute, so we can kind of have that fluff out. Now I have some leftover stuff that we are going to put in here. Now this is going to be really easy, really quick. So I'm just going to kind of stuff. I'm not going to use hot glue or anything, so if I want to change this, I can. And if I want to add more, I can. I tend to, because I'm making it for myself. So if I was making it for somebody else, I would definitely hot glue stuff, and I'd actually probably get some of that green foam and put that in here also. So there's those. And we have, how many of these do we got left? We've got 3 of these. So we'll stick one in the back. In the back. Actually, it was on this side, huh? Okay. We have 2 of these little apple things. Got to give those to the reindeer, right? We'll put those in the front. And we have some of these flowers. And we'll just put some in here and kind of turn them so they look. And I have 4. So we will put these in here. And then we've got these little berries we're just going to kind of just stick in there. This is, like I said, this is a really easy one. And we have 1 left of these. And this one's kind of bare, so we'll put it in here. See, wasn't that quick? That was a quick video. That one's quick. So here we go. And it's just got that on it. It's just kind of plain. It's just decoration. I'm actually going to put this up by my fireplace, I think. I mean, I could make a bow and put it up here, but I kind of like it the way it is. And you can always change this and put winter floral whatever every year, but this is stuff I had left over. We're just using it up. And yeah, so that's everything. Isn't that pretty? So that's the last one, guys. I hope that you liked it. We've got one left. And I kind of been saving it for last because it's going to take a while. That one might be one long video or a couple of parter one, probably. So I don't want to keep the videos too long. So I really don't like them to be more than 30 minutes, but well, they're crafty. So I've got jewelry stuff to put away, and I found the handle for my mailbox. It was in here. So I'll put that away because we will use that again for something. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I appreciate it. And we will see you all again soon. Bye now.